Welcome back to Off Grid at Mount Binga. For those of you that are new here, my name's Gill and I'm one half of the team we call Gilby. My other half, Byron, is away at the moment, working out of town and raising some new funds for the next phase of our Queenslander renovation. Doing what he knows and loves best. We said we'd have a bit of a break during winter from filming and renovating the Queenslander, and that's been largely successful. But it's mid-August right now, and no matter which seasonal calendar that you follow, it's still winter. So that's a long-winded way of saying that we're not actually making a video this time about the renovation. What we are making is a new series we're calling Dry Dock. This story started with a floating marina office many years past its seaworthy days that we had trucked up here from Hervey Bay, about 4 hours to the north of here. And we are planning to convert it into a tiny home or a tiny houseboat for my mum and dad to live in when they spend time up here with us. Now, Mum's got a few mobility issues, so we are looking to make this as accessible as we can for her, and we think it's going to be a really exciting and interesting series. We'd love to have you along for it. Let's get aboard. What do you think, Mum?
Round of applause for the driver.
Switch forward. I know where it is.
You have liftoff. is all clear. Thanks. For now, this is just a sneak peek of what's to come. Dad already has a million and one ideas of what he's planning to do with the fit out, but all of that needs to get the builder's appraisal and tick of approval once Byron makes it back to Mount Binga. Until then, stay afloat, hit subscribe, drop any questions you might have in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!